Hi friends, if x power 2 equal to 16, then what is the value of x? That's what we'll try to figure out. This is a wonderful question. At first, we will try to square both the side. So I do have x power 2 and everything else square it. And I got to do the same thing on the right hand side as well to balance it. Now, power and power you can multiply. So I got a power x here, I got a power 2 here, which I can write down as x power 2x and that power 2, and that is equal to this 16. I will try to write down as 4 power 2 and then power 2. Now I will try to put an extra bracket. So this, if I put a bit of a bracket here, this looks like x squared power x squared. So I can write down that as x power 2 power x squared. And that is equal to 2 times 2 will become 4. So 4 power 4. Now if we look at the left hand side and right hand side, we can see like x squared power x squared equal to 4 power 4. So my x squared is going to be 4. So I can put down my x squared equal to 4. So my x equal to square root of 4. So my x value will be plus and minus 2. So I'm getting two answers, x equal to positive 2 and x equal to negative 2. So they both are the answers for the question x power 2 equal to 16. Thank you guys.